So one of the things that you can do is you can go ahead and add in hyperlinks to text as well. For example, let's say whenever I go ahead and click on this lorem ipsum text, let's say it's supposed to go to the Wikipedia page. So to do that, I can actually go around over here onto, let's say for example, the hyperlink button. I can select out this text right here and I can click on the hyperlink button that pops up right here. So now you can see that you can link it to a web or email or a document as well. And you can even go ahead and upload a file so that that document gets downloaded when you click on it. But for this example, I'm going to go ahead and use web right here. So now what I'm going to do is type in http:// let's say for example, and I'm going to say right here https://www.wikipedia.org right here. So this will open up in a new tab, not on the same page. So as you do that, you can see that the text gets underlined right here, denoting that it is a hyperlink right here. So let's just go ahead and preview out the site right here, just like this. And once that is done, so you don't get the hyperlink directly right here. When you preview out the site right here, you can see that as I hover over the mouse, you can see that this link is clickable now. And as I were to click it, you can see that it simply goes ahead and then goes to Wikipedia as we linked it out with that site right there. You can go around over here just like this and then click on the link again to go ahead and change it out to whatever you like an email, a document, or just click on remove link if you don't want the link anymore right there. So that is how you can go ahead and add in text hyperlink as you need it inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.